So now let's begin our English 10th class English session with the prose, a letter to God. We have already discussed about the content of the prose. Here are some questions and answers. Let's now discuss now. The first question is, how did the rain change? The first question is, how did the rain change? The rain changed into very large hailstones with the strong wind. Could understand? The rain changed into a hailstorm. Otherwise, the rain changed into a hailstorm and along with a strong wind. What happened to Lencho's cornfields? The hailstones covered Lencho's cornfields and destroyed the crops. Could understand? Why did Lencho prefer locusts to the storm? Why did Lencho prefer locusts, you know, Pongupalaka, to the storm? Because if locusts would have attacked his crops, they would have left some crops out. But this bloody rascal hailstorm did not leave anything. Destroyed entire crop. Could understand? Now let's move to the next step. So this is another paragraph of the prose. Not a leaf remained on the trees. When hailstorm started falling, leaves and flowers of the plants were gone. At the end of the hailstorm, there was not a single leaf, even not a single flower. Would understand? Not a single flower in the plants. Everything was gone. Every leaf, every flower was gone. The corn was totally destroyed. What was totally destroyed?
Corn.
The corn was totally destroyed. The flowers were gone from the plants. Could understand? What were gone? The flowers were gone from the plants. Lencho's soul was filled with sadness. Lencho, whose soul was filled with sadness? Lencho's. That means Lencho was very sad. Why? Because everything was gone. He had a great expectation that he would harvest a good yield that year. But the bloody rascal idiot hailstone shattered his dream. Could understand it? Ruined all his plans. When the storm had passed, it rained for 1 hour, then it passed. When the rain passed, he stood in the middle of the field. Who stood? Who stood in the middle of the field? Lencho stood. Lencho stood in the middle of the field and said to his son, a plague of locusts would have left more than this. The hail has left nothing. This year we will have no corn. Could understand what happened? Everything was okay. Rain was also okay. But when hailstorm and gusty wind began to blow and began to rain, when a hailstone began to fall and the gusty wind began to blow, everything changed. Lencho's happiness turned into sadness. The crops in the fields were destroyed. The gusty wind and hailstones did not leave a single leaf and a flower on the plants. So, after the hailstorm, Lencho stood in the middle of the field and said to his sons,